The world's most expensive rice. Don't really think about rice being an expensive item, but there is. It's called Kinmemai Rice. It's coming from Japan. Kinmemai Rice was named the most expensive rice by the Guinness Book of World Records in 2016. It's priced at $109 per 2.5 pounds. It's imported from Japan and it's a gourmet specialty unlike any other rice. And I'm gonna show you how to cook it. And I ordered some and had it shipped over here just to try it out. Kinmemai rice. One of the reasons why this rice is so expensive that it goes through a special process that enhances the taste and nutrition content of the rice grains itself. It has a slightly nutty and buttery taste to it once it's cooked. And it has a moist, creamy texture superior to most other rice. One of the most unusual things that I found out about this rice is that you don't have to wash it. It's because it goes through a special process of polishing and buffering the rice that is very unique to just Kinmemai rice. There's a study done compared this to regular rice that it has 15 to 30% less calories than your traditional white rice. Plus it has extra nutritional content. This rice is grown in a specific region of Japan, surrounded by hills and mountains, which allows for a substantial temperature range needed for this specific grain of rice. All right, let's give this rice a shot. See how good it actually is. Definitely does taste a little bit buttery and richer than regular sushi rice. Once you start chewing on it, you can definitely taste that it has a little creamier texture to it. I like it. It's definitely a little bit pricey, but definitely really good. That's the one thing about Japan is they take pride in quality and putting a lot of time and effort into even like the minute things like a square watermelon or an expensive cantaloupe. One of my most favorite things to eat with just rice is salmon roe or salmon eggs. All right, let's try some of this with the salmon roe, with the Ikura. Kinmemai rice with Ikura. Holy cow. You could taste the rich buttery flavor of the rice, the Kinmemai rice, mixed with the salty buttery flavor of the Ikura, which is my absolute favorite. It's so creamy and delicate but strong, salty. Just like me, creamy and delicate but strong and salty. Yeah, bastards. Overall, the Kinmemai rice is definitely really good.